Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to open a YouTube channel in 2024. So basically, if you want to open a new channel on YouTube, you need first to open a Google account because Google and YouTube are pretty much linked. So you can just go ahead to your Gmail and add another account, or you can just go ahead to the obvious way to your browser and then click sign in to your account, and then just go ahead and click add another account and hit create an account. And they will ask you if you want to use it for personal use, for your child, for your work or business. Just go ahead and click the personal use and enter right here your name, last name, and then just move along to the next step. You're gonna enter your birthday, right? And just make sure that you add a pop-up birthday that matches your your ID. So I'm gonna just go ahead right here and then hit next. Enter your email address, right? And then basically hit next again. Enter the password, all right? And then basically after you added the password, you're gonna hit next again, all right? And then just go ahead and hit save and add the recovery email for basically your recovery email that if God forbid you couldn't recover your account, you're gonna be able to add that alternative email as a recovery email. Hit next. Basically hit next again. Now you're gonna read the terms and policies, and then basically after you've read all of that, just go ahead and just hit agree at the bottom right. Basically now you created a new account. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.